These are multifunctional gap fillers for automobiles. And what we're going to do is open up and show you where to put them. Each come as a set of 2 packages. What we have here are 2 that we pull out, one for the passenger and one for the driver. And they sit in between the seats over here, right before the seat belt. And they simply just tuck in, lay in, without moving the seat. So you can place your phone, upright, portrait, or landscape into the slot. And then you can hook a bag if you want, or put some change that's over here into the area so you can take out and feed the meter or the shopping cart and simply pull out. You have on the back over here is another hook area as well. You can wrap your cables around and so forth. Easy to take your phone out and place anywhere imaginable. The 2 of them, they simply slide in, they lock into the place, and they fill in the area so nothing can fall in between the seats like so. Grab the rubberized, soft rubber, slide it in between the seats. They form and fit. Place your phone in. You have your cable that could be simply wrapped around in the area. Plug in your phone and hang up a bag or more. You have a driver's and a passenger side as well. Slip and slide into the spot. And when moving the seat forward and back, they will slide and stay in place. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. And on the bottom side, we have here is a brake window guard. Located over here for braking emergencies and more. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for.